go, buddy. I got this. Give me one. Give me one.
Mad Chad.
Mad Chad.
Chad Taylor. Mad Chad Taylor. The guy famous for juggling buzzing chainsaws. How does he do it without losing life, or best case, limb?
As Mad Chad.
All right, folks, a little bit of juggling. Oh, whoops, geez. Whoa, 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 hey, whoa. All right, thanks for. Oh. Did I fool anybody? During the trick, if you see one of the chainsaws like flying at your head or something, yeah, you want to run because there's two more right behind it. So, all right, very nice. Here we go.
Direkte fra Los Angeles, Mad Chad!
Hello, and welcome to the show! Thanks for coming out to check it out! Oh yeah, looks like we got a nice audience here tonight at Caltech's Rainbow Auditorium, Alright, hey! Thanks for coming down. I'm going to try something new tonight because I imagine being here back in Los Angeles, some of you have seen the show before, so I'm going to take a couple extra risks tonight. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to risk my camera, people. That's right. Juggling my camera for that's right. Whoa, hey. All right, we got all kinds of crazy stuff in store, so I hope you brought your Dramamine tonight because it's going to be a wild one. Hold still, guys. Hold still. Hold still. Watch your feet, Morgan. Watch your feet. Okay, good. Now, gentlemen, your job is just to keep my face away from the floor, okay? Excellent. Morgan, bring the knives up. I'm ready. Get them over here. Now, people, I have to be perfectly honest. There's only one trick I can do with 4 bats, and you're looking at it. There's actually 2 I've been working on. The first one is called Over the Back. Yeah, you think you're unimpressed. You should see it from here. Second trick is called Over the Back. you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot, you guys. It was a lot of fun. Thank you very much.